Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Is It Entertainment or Ja? So everyone knows that the big summer holidays is coming up. So I am going to give you loads of fun activities for you and everyone to do. So yeah, and today in this video, this is after school on a Thursday, I am drawing you, I made a Hermione, because everyone knows I love Harry Potter. So I'm colouring it in. So I decided, why not let you join in? So, look at that. Didn't have my sign. Yeah, right. So I'm going to put it over here. You can't even see it, but never mind. Okay, right. Let's do this. By the way, guys, I'm using one hand because you're in the other hand. I'm looking through the camera right now. Wrong place. What was that? What was that? Is anyone here? I just tripped over. Okay, well, it's pretty weird. Don't know what it was. So guys, let's just say for a minute if you can stop. Sorry guys. Look at this photo. Well, I drew. Well, it's not really a photo, but yeah, so I'm gonna oh, guys, it keeps going down. Yeah. So, guys, just admire it and in the comments say what you think I should improve or what I shouldn't. So guys, I hope you decided now. So, because we're going to now carry on. And, by the way guys, I didn't mention, did I? This Hermione is going to be the World Cup Hermione. Hermione who plays in the World Cup. So, yeah.
What, is it recording now?
This is hard, people. Perfect. So, next we're going to do her hair.
I prefer a shower.
So this is the first part of the hair. Pretty cool. Okay, second part. This is a different Hermione that everyone knows. I drew this myself. So, yeah, when you see it, might be a little bit weird. And before, that person I was talking to was my mum, so I'm a bit sorry about that. She was just going in for my son. So yeah, nearly done.
Okay. Alright then. Alright. Bye.
That's my mum. It's Hermione. So guys, this is Hermione. So leave down in the comment section below if Hermione looks good. And yeah, that stands for England with the E and the D. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to press that like button so you don't miss that. And remember to sure don't miss that subscribe button. So, bye. Say bye, Hermione. Goodbye, people. See you different. Bye.